I took a vow that no boy who serves me will do well. ALUSI OKANGA, the hour has come that I will settle in my boys after serving me for 8 years. As I hand this money over to them, may it be the beginning of their downfall. As I give them this money, may it be a curse unto them. They shall not prosper. As I decree, so shall it happen.
Aya abịarute ọkwa nzu ka nji n'aka. My ancestors ọkwa ọsọ ọbala bụ nzu ka m ji n'aka. He who comes before his ancestors comes with a pure heart. Ka unu maa anyị nzu, mapụ anyị unyi ma maa anyị nzu ka ọ wee dịla anyị na mma. Ka ọ ga-abụ anyị kobe ka ngụ anyị ji eko gara ịkwanarụ anyị. Ka ọ ga-awa anyị jebe ejebe ka anyị jee n'udo. Anyị nawakwanụ ka anyị nata n'udo. My ancestors. Manụ nzu. Makwanụ nzu. Makwanụ nzu. Ọjị abịa. Ọkwa ototule bụ ọjị ka m ji n'aka. Asị na onye wetala ọjị wetala ndụ. You know, 8 years ago, when my boys were leaving this village to the city to serve their boss, I promised my ancestors that if they go and return in peace and successfully, I will kill a goat for them. And today, you have done it for me. They have returned successfully and in peace. And today, their boss, Idoko, will be coming here to settle both Iheme and Obumneme. And I also will fulfill my promise to Ajani. And if they go after their master has settled them and are successful, I will continue to come. I'll bring more goats, even rams, and even cows to you once we are making them more successful. So if you dey play, you go dey show. Ego na abia, obala na agba. Hey, ọkwa ọjị Ikenga. Ngwa, onye ma ewu? Eze Chitoke abịama. Ekene gị. Maka na ekpere mkpe afọ 8 gara aga ka ị zalụ m taa. Bịanụ jide ya n'ụkwụ n'aka ka igbuo. Jide ya ka igbuo. Jide ya.
Chinedu hour is now. It is not over until it's over. I cannot start a mission that cannot be accomplished. Those two criminals think they can start their own business in a market where my father controls. They will not shine better than their master. It will never happen.
Today is a historic day, not just for myself and my beautiful wife, but for these young men here who have served me for 8 years. I think they deserve a round of applause. I am not just here to settle them. I have come to make them millionaires. So, because I'm very happy, I will not give you checks. I will give you cash. Baron, go to the car. Bring out the cash that is planned already.
Of this?
Mother, I've been conducting a private investigation on these two thieves. Today, I have more than enough evidence to prove that these two have caused so much havoc to our family business. Officers!
Ma'am!
Arrest them. Father, these two urchins have been lavishing your money on these ladies, sending them to expensive school, opening businesses for them, and building houses.
We don't know any of them. Oh. Which school? Which houses? Do you know them? For where? What are you talking about?
I said shut up. Start talking.
What are you saying, Obum? Are you denying me? I thought you said you were the boss when you were opening that supermarket for me.
Exactly.
Jesus.
Now look what you've gotten me into.
Me, Obum,
Obum, why didn't you tell me the truth that you were serving someone? What kind of embarrassment is this?
Obum, I've before.
Next.
Jesus. Okay, I don't know. I don't know her. I have never met this girl in my life. Jesus.
Obum, you better confess to your boss because I already confessed to the police how you've been sponsoring my education. Confess that I didn't force you to send me to school. Oh. Let them release me. Oh.
This is how you've been spending my money.
Jesus Christ. Okay, I swear to God, I true to God, Okay, I don't know her. I've never met any of them in my life. Okay, just imagine. I don't know them. They're just lying against us.
Imagine what? Messiano! God did not make you. So you've been lavishing my money on this girl. Doing things for them. I took you as my sons. The way you're treating me, do I deserve it?
I don't know her, Mommy. Mommy, I don't know her. She's just lying against me.
Next person.
Sir, please forgive me. I will give you back the money Ikem gave to me to send my brother abroad.
Hey! Hey! Obodo Ibo! Get there!
How? I'll gradually pay you back. I promise you, sir. Please forgive me.
Which abroad? Where did I see money to send your brother abroad?
You did.
Okay, I don't know these people.
You know me.
Why I know you from where? Are you mad? Hey! God. Okay, we don't know these people.
Stop calling God!
Hey.
Shut up! Next person. He came. I warned you about all this. I warned you that your boss might get to know that you were building a house for my mother. I mean, the business.
Igene house. Ndeba, I'm finished. I'm finished. Ogo.
Hey!
Building. Building. Hey, Ogo. And I'm finished.
Our enemy sponsored this people.
Oh,
I swear.
Obu, what is this?
I'm finished.
Hey! Obu, what is this? Ike?
We don't know against us. We don't know anybody here.
What am I hearing?
I've never met any of them.
Officers, what are you waiting for? I came here to settle them, but I think they are now the ones who settle me. Arrest them.
Jesus!
Chief, we can settle this. We can settle this.
You know what? My anger is that you were aware of this and you never did anything.
Not so, Chief. Chief, my children are not like this. This is not like children. My children are not like
Chief, don't follow me. Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry.
We can settle this. Huh? Chief, my children are not like this. It's not my children. Please. Chief, let's talk about this. Huh? Chief, you don't go. Chief. Chief, please.
Where did you keep your boss's money? I mean the remaining of the money you stole from him.
So please, you're just accusing us for nothing. See, we served our boss with diligence and the honesty. We never stole from him for one day, even a kobo. Those girls they are talking about, we don't know them. We've never met them before. Please, you're just punishing us for nothing. Please, we're innocent. Please. Officer, this is what you should do. Call those girls. Let them bring receipts of how we've been sending the money to them. The millions they claim that we sent to them for their education, upkeep, and their business. You should come up with the evidence.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Oh, you're trying to teach me my job. Oh, I see that you have it planned. You have planned your escape route. You're telling me to tell the girl to bring a receipt of the money you paid cash to her. Because both of you are thieves. I will make sure you rot in jail. I will make sure you spend the rest of your life in prison.
You're innocent. You're innocent.
There's no innocence on your face. Your face is telling me another thing. Both of you are criminals. You will rot in jail. Where is that dance?
Rose, my dear.
Cheers, Daddy. Now we have them behind bars and on their way to prison for a very long time.
For a very long time. And I tell you, you, my daughter, have just confirmed once again that you are the one in whom I'm well placed.
Clock it.
You know, when you said I should leave this for you, I said, what does this small girl do? Then you pull it through, and you've done it. You know, I can now hit my chest and say you're a master strategist.
I learned from the best.
And I am the best.
You are the best.
Cheers again, baby.
And what are both of you celebrating?
What more? If not the exposition of those two little demons who wanted to ruin my business. They will rot in jail.
Fina.
Yes, Mom.
I know you've never loved those boys. Tell me, did you frame them up?
Mom, what kind of accusation is that? Frame them up? And the said ladies are detained as well? Mom, is that how you see your only daughter? A blackmailer and a manipulator? Come on, Mom. That's unfair.
You know, You have to listen. I didn't say you are any of that. I'm very surprised the way you were able to unravel all this without anyone knowing when, how, or how you managed to do it. It's a surprise to me.
That is because I studied journalism in school. I'm an investigative journalist. Mom, I've been noticing some funny moves by Iheme and his twin brother. But I kept my cool because I had no proof. But right now, I have more than enough evidence to prove it. Trust me, they will face the full consequences of the law.
Bam.
This all sounds strange to me. Those boys never lived any of these lives.
Mommy, how will you know? How?
They were so calm, innocent, and responsible.
Well, people like that, that's how they behave.
Uh-huh.
They try to hide their fake life.
Exactly.
But behind closed doors, they are demons. Do you know how much they would have spent on those ladies? They will rot in jail. 5,000 chalana jail. Cheers, my darling. Cheers again. Cheers again.
Mom, stop now.
Don't worry about your mom. Look, when I came to marry her uncle told me, "Hey, you are marrying Churchill." I didn't know what the man meant. It was like she saw righteousness in everything. She doesn't even see business. She will never support me. Anything I do is either I'm a juju man or ritualist. So we're moving forward. I go to. Hey, I didn't want to tell you. We're that safe now. What your uncle told me. Have I ever told you? So don't worry when she doesn't support me. I go on a joker too much.
Nah, Biko. Eh? We need to see Doko. There is something we must sit down and discuss. Go back.
There's nothing to talk about. You father of a heartless criminal. My father took your sons, those wretched urchins, as his, trained them, fed them, clothed them, and almost settled them. But what did they do in return? They stabbed him at the back. You know what? Your brothers will spend their miserable lives in jail.
Hey! Biko.
Biko, please have mercy. Let's give them fair here. Biko, let's investigate this matter properly. Please beg you.
Baron, take them out.
Hey, Biko.
So if I didn't tell you that I'm hungry, you will not bring me food. If I didn't come to your place to beg you for money, you will not know that I'm hungry, right? You wicked man. I gave you my money to manage for me. My sweat, my blood. Here you are waiting for me to come and beg you for my own money. Now I will show you why they call me Obele. Obele Adrom Maiwe.
Always. Because if we don't, people would see us and say, you're not doing well.
We're not doing well, and we don't celebrate each other.
So, when you open something, what does it look like?
Daddy. Mommy, that is so funny.
I'm telling you.
He knows how to do it very well.
I need food. I need food.
Daddy, are you okay?
I need food. I need food. I need food. Bring me food.
Honey, what is the problem? Are you okay? Daddy. Fina, come. Let me know what's wrong with him. This is strange. This is strange. What could be going on?
Grandmaster, I bow before you. Something strange just happened. I need answers. Where is this attack coming from?
But I warned you. I warned you never to let Obele go hungry. I warned you never to let him get angry with you. Else things will go wrong in your life.
I've always given him everything he wants. He has never lacked. Whatever he wants, I provide instantly.
Idoko. He must not come to you to beg before you provide him with his needs. You should look out for him to ensure he lacks nothing.
That's why I suggested he comes to live in my house, so that whenever he wants anything, it will be provided immediately.
That goes against the rules of this supreme realm. You must let him wander. He must wander the streets and the markets like the madman that he is. But now, you must go find him. Go find Obele, for he is hungry. Find him before he does something stupid.
Thank you very much. Please. Now, you know the madman over there. Go and fetch him. Go.
Money, what is the problem?
Chief Idoko sent me. You don't have to eat this rotten bread. I brought good meal for you.
Go and tell that stupid boy that he's very mad. Is this the time that boy is bringing my morning food for me? Is this the time that boy is eating his own morning food? I said it. Mad people and madman everywhere. Look at the time somebody who I employed to manage my money is bringing my food for me. Go and tell him that Obele says he's mad.
Well, he sent his apology. He said it won't happen again. And whenever you need anything, you can come to the house.
As what? As a beggar or as a madman? I keep on saying it. Mad people and madman everywhere. Why should I come and beg him for my own money? My own sweat and blood. I should come and beg him for my own money. Now get out of here. Get out before I do something mad to you. Hey! Drop it. Now go. Get out! I'm enjoying my money. I don't need to work. I have people working for me in my company. All I need to do is flog them, tell them what I want. They'll bring it to me.
Babe, I'm sorry for not attending your brother's settlement party. How are you? Are you okay? You're crying. What's wrong? What happened?
They were arrested on their settlement day. They were accused of sponsoring women and spending on them. But they swore they know nothing about it. They've been framed. They are innocent.
Arrested? By who? Why? Anyways, which station were they taken to?
Area command. Now Gidi.
Okay, just calm down. I will be at the station. All right? Just calm down. Will you come with me? Anyways, don't worry. I will handle it myself. I'll get back to you. All right.
Thank you.
You know, they don't really have any evidence against you guys. They don't have any evidence against you. This is just a mere oral allegations that cannot hold water in the court. They have to prove it. They have to prove the case by providing an evidence on how you guys have been making the transfer of money to them. So you don't have anything to worry about. You have to be very strong on this.
Thank you so much. We are happy. You know, this is just a frame-up from the EV people who doesn't want us to be settled. So, but I hope very soon. Very soon, the judgment of God will come upon them.
I believe that.
Is that my sister?
Oh, no, ma. She's okay. She's okay.
Oh, used to go.
She actually told me that she wanted to fix up some things. So I just asked her not to bother coming. Alright. Anyways, I've met the DPO over this case. I've shown my interest and I've told them that I will take up the case. So you guys need to be very strong for me. You have nothing to worry about.
Thank you. Don't lose this money. It's only one that you eat.
You've not eaten just once?
Apart from that, I can pap that they gave us. No, eating anything again.
Oh, really? I think I have to order for something for you guys to eat. Alright? Just be very strong. I am with you guys.
Also, we are eating, no problem.
No, you have to eat. You have to eat.
What stupid detective is that? Huh? What's his business in this case? No, tell him to stay away from this case. Steer away from it. Or else I'll crush him. Didn't you tell him who I am? Huh?
He is highly connected, sir, and cannot be scared away with threats. He said the ladies must provide the evidence of how your boy sent the money. He is not just a detective, he is also a seasoned lawyer and has vowed to defend the boys in court. Well, I am just informing you about the new developments, sir, so you can know how to prepare yourself.
I am prepared. Send his name, his phone number, his picture to me. I'll take it off from there. I know how to handle buffoons like him.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, I agree to.
Sir, please, I've been standing here for long now and there seems to be no bike or any cab around. Can I join you? I just want to stop at the junction on the front. Please, sir.
Okay. You mean the next junction?
Yes, the next junction at the front, please, sir.
Okay, I'm actually heading there. You can come in.
Oh, thank you. God bless you, sir.
You know, the road is actually lonely.
Don't say a word. Just keep calm. Drive straight. Drive straight. By your left, there's a car parked right there. Just park there, okay?
Hold on, please.
Don't make a move.
Don't shoot, please.
Don't say a word. Just drive. Slowly. Slowly.
Sent your boys to do this to me? Do you know the consequences of what you're doing?
I should be the one asking you if you know the consequences of poke-nosing into my business. Do you know?
Why am I here? Why did you have to send them to bring me here?
I'm a man who likes to give people options before I strike. I've been told that you're a very hard guy and you understand no other language than violence. So, I'm offering you 20 million naira cash to take your hands off the twin brothers case.
If I must let you know, the very day I joined the police force, I vowed on the altar of justice and fairness. I don't need your money. I will defend them in court. Bring your evidence to prove that they sponsored those ladies in school and business, respectively.
I hear you're dating the kid sister of one of them. And I can understand the passion. But I'm telling you, man to man, if you die today, she will start dating another man. So better take this money and help your life.
I'd rather die than doing this. I would defend the family. Take my words.
So be it. Please, take his body. Dump it in a refuse site. That's where he belongs.
Jimmy. Hey! It's not picking. Jesus.
Adam, what is going on?
Papa. Papa is Victor. He promised to come to the house to take us to court to witness the case, but his number has not been connecting since last night. I don't know. I don't understand this thing, no.
Is this why you are this worried? Huh? Maybe he has gone to the court to defend your brothers with the other lawyers. Huh? Let us just hope everything is fine.
Papa, no. He promised me that he will come here this morning and take us to court. And he has never acted this way before.
See. Do not worry yourself. Huh? We must not be in the court to find out what is going on there. We will still hear everything. Victor might have switched off his phone intentionally to avoid distraction. Do not worry yourself. We will still hear everything that happened. Your brothers will return to this house today. Huh?
Yes.
Do not worry yourself. Yes. Oh?
Okay.
Everything will be fine.
He has not done this thing before. God, please, oh.
What is it?
Is this how you people hate your life? So you people are actually going to serve that wicked man, thinking he will say to you after serving him?
What nonsense are you talking about? How do you even know that we are going to serve somebody? Imagine.
I am the chief security officer of this community, so I know everything happening in and out of this community. And you see that boy? He's my boy. That boy people are going to serve. He will not settle you. He will either kill you, send you to jail, or frame you up. And that money he's fronting, that money is my money. It's my sweat and my blood. I gave him the money to be managing for me, but as you can see, he's mad. And I'm not a madman. Now let me advise you people. It is better you go to Peace Park and be offloading yam than going to serve that madman.
Nah, I beg, for this madman. See, let me tell you. See, you see this journey we are going now. It's going to be a very successful one. And when we serve him, when we finish serving Chief Idoko, he will settle us. You understand me?
Mad people and audacity.
Idiot.
So I've told you that this man will not settle you after serving him. And you people are still going. Ngban, Ijoma, go on, bye-bye.
Came now waiting. Abom. Obele wonders. Obele wonders, but we didn't listen. We thought it was the advice of a madman. But here now they framed us up. They have denied us our settlement. We should have listened to Obele. Ikema, I disagree with you. See, our boss was a very good man. He's still a good man self. Remember that, see, this man loved us the way he loved his daughters. And he was taking care of us. Eh? See, if there was one person that I would say has a hand in this thing, it must be his daughter. That Fina. Because she was the one that brought those police people. No, he cannot. The man cannot do anything. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. This is a teamwork between father and daughter. They collab together to deny us our rights, to deny us our settlement. Look at us. But they will regret this. Except we do not come out from this prison. Idoko must pay back for everything that he did. He must pay back. Except we didn't come out from this prison. He came, see. Did you remember, the way we were getting customers every day, the influx of customers to our shop, and the some people were even complaining. Have you forgotten that people, all those big billionaires, they were seeing us as threats? So you can never tell. Maybe they were the ones that arranged for this thing now. I'm sure they are behind this thing, not what you're talking about. Since this man has been doing business for over 30-something years, have you seen anybody that this man made rich? Have you seen any guy that came out and said, hey, this man made me rich, or they settled him well? No. No way. Think. But he settled the Okohodi. Settled who? Who told you? They just denied us our rights. It was a game plan. Yes, it was a game plan, not to settle us.
This is my judgment that you, Obum Jidofo and Ikem Jidofo, are hereby found guilty of theft and conspiracy against your boss. You are hereby sentenced to 5 years imprisonment with no option of fine. God!
Jesus! Jesus! Hey! Papa! 5 years! Jesus! Jesus! Chimo! Hey! Jesus! Papa, 5 years! Jesus! Jesus! Hey! Whoa! Jesus! Papa, 5 years! No, this cannot be happening. Oh, Jesus! Oh, hey!
What is going on? Jidofo, is this how you are going to sit here, fold your arms and do nothing? Let me tell you, this is clearly the handwork of Idoko. He is doing all this to deny your children justice. Oh yes, this was exactly the same thing he did to the children of Mazi Iheme to deprive them of their settlement rights. you must fight like a man. Not just a man, but like an African man that you are. Use our traditional method of justice and expose the truth behind all this. Yes.
Chimo. 5 years. Papa, 5 years. Ah! Jesus! Chimo. Papa, where are you going to?
Allow him handle this like the African man that he is. Hey! Idoko cannot get away with this. Oh yes. No. We have an existing traditional method of justice that we handle this matter the best way it should be handled. After all, Idoko is not God. He's just a man. Enough is enough. What is all this nonsense? The truth must prevail. No. We can't continue this way. I think I will come back later.
Ladies, Chief sends his regard and appreciation for a job well done.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This money in here
Thank you.
can change your life.
My God, thank you so much. Tell Chief we appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Oh my God, this is huge. This is more than we bargained for. Oh my God. Please. Please, spare my life, please.
The only reason why I'm sparing your life is because your brother was one of us. Now take this money. Take! I don't want to see you anywhere around this town. Okay? Now move!
Wadi Kanayo no mosa watova ne dika joba adoma se opele banyabo adoma otapole kudoko odoko adoma idoko kitatalo kwanya bale anonu idoko
ALUSI nwere ibubo oke mmanwụ Igbo niile na-eti ọ ga-ebu ALUSI na-achụlụ efi na-enwero ọdụ ijiji oke osisi ụwa niile na-ekiri ekiri abịakwana m ọzọ. The last time I came to this place was 2 years ago when armed robbers killed my father in the night. I suspected my cousins. I confronted them, but they denied. I came to you and you took over the case. Within 2 weeks, they joined my father in the great beyond. Now another case have arrived. My 2 sons, Obunneme and Ikemefuna, are in the jail for a crime they know nothing about. They know nothing about this case. This is the reason I am here. To report to you so that everybody involved in accusing my children, that you will torment them day and night. I know you are bigger than this fowl that I'm here with. I supposed to have come with cow. Mana ebe aka ru nwanyị ka ọ na-atụkwasị die. Ụmụ onye tunukwu ka o ji ya n'aka. Please, accept me like this. Come to my aid and avenge me of this my adversaries. I will go with you this time around. I will go with you. And I'll keep you with them till you have avenged me of these my adversaries. Idoko! Get your master, Idoko! He's the one I'm here for. Idoko!
Is this a new sign of madness or what? Huh? I know you're traumatized because your children are in my custody. Because they owe me money. But what is this psychiatric mentality you have? What are you doing here?
Idoko, it is very clear you use those ladies to frame my children up. It has been your pattern. But in the case of my family, it will be different. You have just 24 hours. 24 hours to present those ladies before the Umuito Odago central deity to swear that my children are guilty of the crime you accuse them of. Or face the wrath of the gods.
You dare threaten me? Do you realize the destiny of your children are in my hands?
The destiny of my children Ikedieze are in the hands of their chi, not in your hands, Idoko. I would have come here to beg you for their release if they are guilty. But I know they are innocent, so I cannot do that. You have just 24 hours, Idoko. Let us settle this traditionally.
Don't you leave this here. Don't you leave this here.
A man that is already on the ground fears no fall. This will torment you and your family if my children are innocent.
Take him down.
No. Honey, please. Honey, please don't do this. Don't escalate things. This is an angry man whose sons has been jailed. Don't do this. Don't take anything he said to heart. Biko.
Blaze, take this into the car, go and dispose of it. Make sure you burn it.
Yes, boss.
You, Bulifa Anisi, you two for ya, and make sure you burn it. Carry it like a man. You dey fear juju? Make sure you burn it. Move!
Kanayo no so wa jova ne nika jova adama se wele banya bo adama otapoli idoko odoko ajoma idoko kita talo kwa kwanya balia nonu idoko kadego ejungo idoko Adivane mobio yikande bo ni doko ajoma Okenki tuto nyanya kande bu
Honey, I have a suggestion to make. Don't you think it's better you withdraw the case from court, release the boys, allow them to go? Let's just leave this matter like that.
That would never happen. Never. The matter has been decided by the court, and that's why I stand.
If those boys were guilty, do you think their father will agree to come out and swear? Wait. Why are you even sounding like you are more interested in jailing those boys than finding out the truth?
What more truth do you want than the confession made by those ladies? What more truth? Is that not enough evidence? Ebere, half matter. Leave me alone. Please, I need some space.
I only made a suggestion.
Thank you.
Wadi Kanayo no mosawa toba ne nika toba adama se opele banyabo adama otapole idoko odogo ajoma idoko kita talo kwanya bale anonu idoko kadego ajoma idoko adivane mobio yikande bo ni doko ajoma Okenki tuto nyanya kandebu doko bajoma Kita talo kupanya bale anonu idoko ojoma obodo ya malale Mekitolo buleta we kandebu kolo kwa klika dibun ajoma idoko Monya bazindu na kuya idoko bajoma obodo ya malolo Ijana mojana mado kandebu idoko senkeleka ajoma odogu Lotana mada brochinu wangwa ina wana kumande sina mana idoko Kwani moja mekano
Negro! Negro! Negro!
Boss!
I thought I told you to go and dispose of this thing in the bush. Yes, I saw you go outside the gate. Did you, by any mistake, come back to drop it?
How did he get here? Boss, I started ablaze.
Now, take it to the farthest bush. pour 50 liters of fuel on it.
Okay,
Let me
boss.
see how to get back here.
Okay, boss.
Go.
Ay! 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 Jesus. This is very painful. What is happening? Ah! 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 Ay! My neck. Ah! 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 What is happening? Ah! Somebody help! Boss! Please! Somebody help! Caro! Ah! Somebody help!
What's happening? What is this? Why are you sweating?
Please! Help me!
I thought boss said you should go and burn this thing.
I don't know what is happening. The lady does not want to come down.
This thing?
Yes.
What do you mean it doesn't want to come down? What's happening?
I don't know. I need to see boss. I need to see boss. Boss, please. You need to help me. I need help.
No, boss is not around. Why don't drove off with boss? Guy, you need to help yourself, oh. Before this thing will kill you.
I cannot come inside. Madam, I beg, I want to buy something.
What do you want buy?
Please, I want bread and granite.
I don't get any of those things.
Hi, madam, please, now, sir, for me, have some money with me.
I don't get.
Oh.
They go.
Madam, okay, give me water.
I don't get anything here.
No, madam, I can see water and I need water, please.
Come on for my shop, I don't get.
Madam, have one. I do have one. I will come, pick. I'm hungry, pick.
I don't get.
Oh.
They go.
So good.
Otapoli idoko, odoko, ajongwa idoko. Kita talo kwanya bali anonu idoko, idoko. Adivene mobio yikande boni idoko, ajongwa. Okay, keep to
What happened to him? Mama, why would you allow your father to even go and meet that evil man? What's his name again? He's so far. Whatever his name is. I want him! I want him. I beg him not to go. I beg my father not to go. But he will not listen to me. Okay, what if he has arrested your father? Or he even sent his bodyguards to beat him up? What are we going to do now? Please don't make me. Don't feel me.
No, ma. Not again. Are you still crying? Come on. Look, I know your father is dead and gone, and he's not coming back. Look, no amount of tears can bring him back. Please, you just need to calm down. Please.
Nkiru. Yes, my father is dead. But that is not all. What about Victor? He suddenly disappeared into thin air.
Suddenly disappeared? Are you saying you haven't heard from Victor since the death of your father? And he still hasn't called you to sympathize with you?
My brothers was convicted. Victor did not call. My father died. Victor still didn't call.
This is serious. Were you two having issues?
No. Me and Victor never had any issues. Though I've not known him for long. But I doubt if Victor will behave that way.
Something is not adding up here. Come on, it's okay.
I don't even know what to do anymore.
Come on, put yourself together. Come on, let me take you home, okay? Sorry. Put yourself together, okay?
What is going on here? What do you think you are doing here? Are you deaf? Can't you hear her? What are you doing here? I have come to exercise the strength given to me by nature. I may not have the power or the connection to fight this family, but I have the tongue to curse Idoko and his entire generation. Clap for yourself. I'm supposed to be scared of this nonsense you're doing, right? Really? Hey! Listen up. If you don't leave here this minute, you'll regret being born into this world. Out! You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? I said get out! It's okay. Let her be. This is the sand from Oromanklisi River. A river renowned for its fairness and justice. It guides and protects women's interests and stand firm in their defense. Fina, you recruited those ladies to frame up my brothers because of their popularity. I curse you, Fina. You will be a pain to this household. The universe will put you in a condition that will make your parents weep every day. I curse you, Fina. The universe will put you in a condition that will bring pain, havoc, and sorrow to this household.
Norma, don't you think it's time for you to stop?
Mother, allow her.
She's going too far.
Allow her to act her drama. What was all this nonsense she's doing? You think it's going to work? This is nonsense. Can't you see? She's even pulling her clothes. Let's watch. Let's watch her run mad. Do it, do it. She's scared. As I set my morning clothes on fire. Set it on fire. That is how I set the happiness, joy. I set everything on fire. Set it on fire. The universe hear my voice! Mama! Mama, what have you done to my daughter? Mama, come back here! What have you... Fina! Fina! Hey! Chimo! Chimo! Fina, get up, get up. Stop this now! Stop this joke! Fina! Hey! How am I going to do this? Hey! Chimo! My daughter, please, Fina, don't do this. Fina!
Continue being good boys. Keep trying. Those were the worst of that monster that we served. Just like a promise made to a naked woman on top of bed. We were fooled by his sweet words. And he had us wrong with that condom. He fought us front and back. He fought us front and back. He fought us up. He raped us front and back. If a prophet had told me that his man would treat us like this, honestly I would have said it to his face that he was not called by God. This man loved us. He took care of us. He made us believe that there was a future for us. He treated us like his own children. Only for this man to shoot at us and shatter our dreams and aspirations.
So sorry about how you feel. So sorry about how you feel. But you see, the life of a man is only shattered when he's dead. Not while in the prison. I will turn your sorrows into joy. I will make your boss's wealth look like peanuts before your very eyes. Oh yes. I will expose you to real wealth and power. If only you have the mind to do the business.
We're not ready. We're not ready at all. In fact, I know the kind of business that you want to introduce us to. You want them to come and arrest us tomorrow, now we enter another problem. I know when I know. You're always scared over nothing. Listen first. Please, you wanted to come and meet me on this one. I want to do that business that you're doing. I want to join you. I want to follow you do that thing that you're doing. I am ready. Please.
Don't worry.
What is that?
I will introduce you to my business. I will loan you some money and I will recruit some boys to run the business while you are in here serving your time. By the time you're done here and you come out, you'll be ready made.
Because I am ready. I am ready. Team Nayanaro. I follow them. Please. Please. I'm prepared. Where's the music?
What did you say happened to Fina? And what is this burnt cloth for?
The sister to the twin brothers was here. She removed her mourning clothes and caused this family by setting it ablaze. Immediately, our daughter collapsed. I rushed her to the hospital, and the doctor said it's a partial stroke, that she cannot walk again.
Norma was here?
Yes.
You allowed her entry into our premises? And you allowed her to escape? You are happy? I'm listening to you. That you allowed her here, took my daughter to the hospital, I should be clapping for you? What kind of person are you? Please, go in search of that Norma. Find her and bring her to me, dead or alive.
Yes, sir.
Grandmaster, what do you mean you can't do anything to heal my daughter? This is a spiritual attack. And it belongs to the spiritual realm. Please do something. Please, I beg you.
Idoko, the manifestation of causes are entirely different from spiritual attacks. The young woman who cursed your daughter did so without any form of charms. She did it in anger. She cried, and the universe felt her words and her tears. Idoko, unless the young woman who cursed your family reverses that same curse with the sand from Oromankarisi River, I'm afraid your daughter can never walk again. She has to reverse the curse. She alone will reverse the curse with that sand. For only then can your daughter again stand on her feet.
Did you come with the 20,000 naira?
Yes, I did.
I need to leave this village.
What's going on now? Who's after your life?
Idoko and his men. They're after me. I think they're looking for me everywhere. I need to leave this village.
Where are you going to?
I don't know. I think I'll go to Enugu. I have friends there. That does like a business. And they could take care of themselves.
Be careful.
Boss, we couldn't find her, so we brought her friend here. I believe she knows her whereabouts.
Where is that cursed girl that had the audacity to curse my own family? Where is she?
What more do you want from that family? Norma has lost her father. Her two brothers are in jail. What else do you want?
I see you don't love your life. You sit here in my own premises asking me stupid questions. I don't blame you. Blaze,
boss,
shoot her.
No, please, please, I beg you, please. I'll talk.
Start talking.
She's currently at Obioma Park. She's heading to Enugu, please.
Are you sure the information you give is correct? And if it's not, you love your life. Your lucky is a kind man. His hand was not on the trigger. Go after that girl immediately.
Yes, boss.
I'm talking to you. What do you think you're doing? Eh? What do you think you're doing? How can you be in the prison and be doing a drug business? What if you're caught? And if they didn't catch me, what will happen? What will happen? And I become the first person who went to prison broke. and become a millionaire inside prison. Yes? While you're focusing on negative, I'm focusing on positive. See, in business, it's risk. In life, it's all about risk. So this money that this man borrowed me now, I have to use it to do business. I can't disappoint him. I will not miss this opportunity. So relax. Ikem, I'm not bothered about your study school, the one you want to build. I'm concerned about your life. And see, what you're doing is risky. It's life-threatening. If these people catch you, you're gone. I can't afford to lose you. Nothing is happening. Nothing will happen. Is it not people that are doing the business? What happened to them? Nothing. Nothing will happen. So relax. And meanwhile, stop calling me Ikem. My name is Don Soweto. The first man who went to prison broke and become a millionaire inside prison. See, in business, you think profit, not loss. In life, you think positive. Ikem, aka Don Soweto. Yes. Please. Ikem, please. It's just the two of us. Please. Please just be careful. Please. I don't want anything to happen to you. Nothing will happen to me. We need to make this money. Nothing will happen. Eh? Nothing will happen. I just have to be careful. And being careful does not mean I will not do what I'm doing. I will do it and be careful about it. We will make the money. Finish. So relax. Oh, don't you want to make money? I'm saying I'm not chego. Aha! I want to hear that one. How you doing?
Fine, sir.
Weather.
Sir, I brought some clothes for you people to change to something better.
Okay.
But right now we have to go to the barber salon before going to.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
Brother, what's the matter?
No, don't worry. No, man. You see, your brothers, 5 years ago, they are no longer the same as of today. So things have changed.
But wait, you're in prison. I don't understand.
Don't worry. Don't worry. A lot has changed. When we get home, you understand.
So let me just get you the clothes.
No problem. Get it. What was that? Oh, no problem. Get your own. Get this one too. We'll make a choice. Yes, we'll make a choice. Makando dogwa batago. Kebebezi afatago. Isikala kanebo. Kilia diro. Makando dogwa batago. Kebebezi afatago. Isikala kanebo. Owara se bunanya. Owara se muchacha. You are out for revenge. Soweto. Owara se bunanya. Owara se muchacha. These people are out for revenge. Kilia diro. The tension is too high.
Wait, am I dreaming?
Hey! The man standing before you is Don Soweto. The only man that went to prison broke and came back as a billionaire. I draw easy. This is one of our properties.
But I want. Hey!
No Soweto. What are you? What you going? This is the one they call get rich or die trying. You told me this several times in the prison. Man, no, this is it. Oh, we will be. We're good. No, I told you are not coming back the same from that prison. My sister, get ready to go back to school. This time it's not just going back to school, but you're going to the best school of your choice. Anywhere.
Oh, brother, thank you so much.
Money na be wahala again. Can never see for the war.
No problem. You can come. Yes, you guys can come. We're at home. Yeah, we're home now. No. Okay, all right. Our boys, the ones who want to settle, they want to come and see us at home.
Let's go inside. Let's go in and have fun.
Kai! Oh boy, see us. Lekuna. Hey boys, we call this meeting because we know how you feel. How sad it can be that you serve your boss for several years and get nothing in return. You know, it can be exceedingly painful and traumatizing. We've been there before. Served the same wicked boss. And we got nothing. So as a result of that, my brother and I have, discussed that, looked into it and said, we will settle you people in a big way.
Yes, we are not only going to settle you, we also make sure that you succeed in your business, whichever business you want to do. And for that, we are giving you 10 million naira each.
Yes.
Yes, so you drop your account, I'll transfer 10 million naira each to you.
It's okay. In addition to that, you can go to the town, anywhere in this town, look for a shop, wherever you get it. We're ready to pay for 2 years for each of you.
Jesus Christ, bro. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
So make sure you put your head in your business.
Yeah.
You know, in life, you work hard and make money. Chop money, you look good.
Nobody pays evil with evil.
Exactly.
There are still good men on this planet Earth. When you make your money and become like us, please do not stop helping people. Okay? And always be good men. Please get them some drinks.
Grandmaster, save me, save me, save me. Ah! Thank you. Thank you.
This is a warning. Upon your admission into this realm of power, you bonded yourself with a vow that none of your apprentices would ever become successful. The twin brothers are back with their billions. You must bring them down. You must bring them down within the next 7 days, or you shall die.
Back with their billions? From prison? How is that possible? Whoever makes money from a prison?
But they have made it. And that goes against your vow to this brotherhood. Idoko, you must reduce them. You must bring them down to penury. Make them poor again, or cause them to cease breath. Idoko, you have 7 days. 7 days to do this, or you shall die.
very stupid, officer. I told you, boys stole my money. They are throwing money around. How could they have gotten money from inside the prison? Does any money grow on trees while people are in prison?
I am sorry, sir. I cannot arrest them again. Not on this same issue. I mean, what am I going to tell the courts?
I now know why you have remained in one position. Your mates who went to police college with you are CP and AIG. You're just an ordinary DPO. You're just an idiot.
Sometimes I wonder if there is any conscience left in you. 5 years later, you are still fighting the boys, young enough to be your sons. For crying out loud, allow them to be.
Never! Never! They will never have peace as long as they stole from me. Come. Sometimes, I wonder whether you're my side or the other people's side. Whose side are you on? Are you the enemy in the house?
Of this. Eh? Go out of here! Every time you keep coming here, what is your problem? You are telling me to? Eh? Every time you will be coming to this house to take money from my husband, money he should be spending on me. I will cast and bind it. Today, what is the meaning of this? I said get out. Money he should be spending on me, he's spending it on you. Get out! I said get out of... Get...
Ebere. Huh? Are you mad? Why are you chasing away my guest? Have I not warned you that any time he comes to this house, treat him like a king? Eh? What is this madness?
You slapped me because of a madman?
He is not an ordinary madman. He's a special guest to me. Treat him like a king anytime he comes to this house. You could forgive my wife. It will never happen again.
Idoko, why will you slap your wife? Don't you know it's domestic violence?
I was trying to protect you.
Apologize to her.
Huh?
Apologize to her. I will get angry.
Oh.
I will get angry.
Oh, but don't get angry.
Apologize to her.
Don't get angry. Name. It's just natural that sometimes
Hoga. Hoga, I'll get angry.
Ezibo. Okay.
I came for you to give me 500,000. Nothing more, nothing less.
You have the money now.
500,000. 500,000. 500,000. 500,000. 500,000. 500,000.
I begged him to give me 500,000. He refused.
Over there. Marry back. You don't need to check it now. It's, don't you trust me again? And it's all in mint. Libi Ferrari, you go. Buy anything you want.
Honey, did you give him 500,000 for real?
Yes.
I asked you for only 100K last week. You said I should wait till a month's end.
If you want 500,000, even 2 million, swap roles with him, he wait 2 million. No.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, please, I'm looking for a man called Obodo.
Obodo?
I was told he lives in this village.
I'm the man you're looking for.
Ah, thank God. Sir, please, I need your help. Sir, one little doctor gave me this date to go and drop in the shrine. Sir, reaching there, the deity refused to come down. Sir, I've been carrying this date on my head for years now. Please, I need your help.
Go down on your knees. Haguma! Haguma! Haguna jamba! Haguna jamba! Igirigi agu! Ogwonye mwengu na abia! Ejemo!
Sir, please. Please don't kill me. Please, I'm begging you, don't kill me. What did I do? Please, don't kill me, please.
You're only going to live here alive if only your brother agrees to cooperate with us. Hello.
Hello? Who is this, please?
I have your sister with me here. And don't shout.
Sir, please. Don't harm her, please. She's the only person I have in this whole world, okay?
Fela, please cooperate with them. They want to kill me, please.
Ugoma, don't worry. Nothing will happen to you. I will do their bid and make sure I free you from that place as soon as possible. Do you hear me?
You have a simple task to carry out in the next 24 hours.
Sir, what do you want from me exactly?
I will send you the details. And if you fail to comply, you have your sister dead. Hey, keep your eyes on her. Make sure she doesn't escape. I'll be back.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay.
You don't look it. Who were you with the phone with now?
He's a long distance friend. He came back from the state. He said he needed to see me. And you know the nature of my job here. I'll just find good time to go and see him later.
Oh, okay, if you say so.
Boss.
What's the problem? Why are you packing?
I'm only doing this to save the life of my only sister. She means a lot to me. Yes.
What's the meaning of this?
Hello? Yes. I have him at the agreed location. Come with my sister immediately and have him. I'll be waiting. Be fast about it.
You're going to regret this. Employed you and put food on your table, and this is what you're doing to me. I swear, you are going to regret this.
Boss, hey, don't take any move. I just have to do this to save the life of my only sister. Keep moving, boss. Move, boss.
Good one, boy. Good one. My boss worth in my life.
Can I have my sister now?
Sure. Move! Move it!
Are you okay? Boss, I was never going to betray you. Not even in my next life. I did this just to save my sister.
This is your sister?
Yes, boss. She's my only sister. Idoko ordered his boys to kidnap her in order to get you. I just have to play along and outsmart them. Because I know if I have told you before, you would not have followed me here. I'm sorry, boss. I think we have to leave here now. This way, sir, this way. Let's pass here. Let's go, let's go.
What's the meaning of this? What is this madness? Has my premises become a mortuary where you dump corpses?
The first sign of a coward is denying his boys when they get busted. That is why I pity your half-baked bodyguards. This is how you will act when you send them on a mission and it backfires. Mr. Dogo, you have made an attempt on my life. I'm going to pound your head in the most merciless manner. Because sonne kele sonne, sonne kele.
Even if I was seated, your hands cannot get to my head. You don't know who I am. The man standing before you, you don't know me spiritually or physically.
Goliath said so. But when David arrives, the rest is history. No matter how tall a tree is, when you cut the stem off, it will fall helplessly. I know the ground you're standing on, but I'll go down the mountain so that you will fall in the most shameless manner. Tonight, I will pound your head, and I will tell you that I'm Soweto. The only man that went to prison broke and came out as a billionaire. Other easy.
Let me warn you for the last time. Don't ever step your feet in my premises. Get out.
I told you once again that I'll pound your head. Oyekele Sonny, Sonny Ekele ya. You hear? Like I told you. Oyekele Sonny, Sonny Ekele ya.
Take his corpse to the mortuary.
Boss, he's still breathing.
Take him to the hospital.
You mean Idoko kidnapped your sister and ordered for my brother to be killed? My own brother to be killed? Huh? Boy, Idoko has called for war. He has called for war, and war he must get. War he must get. Order for my brother to be killed.
Yeah, guys. Guys. It's not that we are doubting your loyalty, but the man we are dealing with is very dangerous. This is the staff of my forefathers. Or for any man. It's used for oath taking and allegiance. But the consequences is bloody. So I want you people to take an oath that you are not going to betray us or do anything against us, no matter any pressure, that you will always be with us. You tell the staff that if you betray us, it will wipe out your entire generation, including you. Take this oath, and we shall continue working together.
I swear with this ancient staff of your forefathers that I will not betray you, talk more of harming you. If I ever muster that thought, may this staff strike me dead and wipe away my entire family.
Said, agreed.
I will not betray or harm any of you. If I ever have that thought, may this staff kill me and wipe away my entire lineage.
Said and agreed.
As you said it, so shall it be. Now, your salaries will be doubled with immediate effect.
Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
We shall continue working together in unity against that devil Idoko. He must go down.
Our mission is simple. Idoko must go down at all cost.
It is done.
Is she coming out?
Norma said she doesn't want to see you, so you can take your leave.
Please, 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 just tell her it's urgent.
What is this evil girl doing here? Daughter of a monster. What are you doing here?
Sir, please hear me out. I know I'm the last person you want to see right now. But please. Sir, please, I'm here to see your sister. So she can reverse the curse she laid on me. Please. Please help me talk to her. I know she would listen to you. Please, sir. Sir, please.
I will ask my sister to break the curse she laid on you under one condition. That you get me your father's clothes. Then you can be able to walk again.
So what do you want to do with my father's
That
blood?
shouldn't be your business. Your evil father brought this upon you. He lured you into his evil ways. My sister now laid a curse on you. Just get his clothes. Then you can be able to walk again. That's all.
Sir, please. I'm going to do whatever you want me to do, but please, can I just talk to her, please? Sir, please, I know you can do it. Sir, please. Sir, please. Do it for me. I'll do anything you want.
That is my card. When you're ready to do that, give me a call.
Sir, please help me. Sir, please.
Revenge.
China, here you are, and I've been looking for you everywhere.
Yes, ma'am. I came in to help Dad arrange some of his clothes.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you. Lunch is almost ready. Do I bring it to your room, or will you join us downstairs?
No, Mom. I'll join you later.
It's okay. Is there anything I should help you with?
No. I'm fine. Thank you, Mom.
Okay. I'm waiting for you downstairs.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a dispatch rider outside. Give them this to take to the laundry guy.
Yes, ma'am.
Boss.
Yeah.
Everything went well.
This is a female cloth.
No, sir. Her father clothes inside. She packaged in a way that nobody will suspect anything.
Makando dogwa batago kemebezi afatago isikara kanebo kilia diro makando dogwa batago kemebezi afatago isikara kanebo owara se bunanya owara se buchacha You are out for revenge, revenge. So wait, oh, wanna see a bunanya. Oh, wanna see a muchacha. These people are out for revenge, revenge. Kill the road, kill the road.
Oneruka, Funana. The deity that speaks with wind, strikes with thunder. I have come with a battle, which I know only you can handle perfectly. Here with me is a cloth of a man who has dealt with many deities. A man who set ablaze ALUSI. I know you take time before you deliver your justice, but I have come before you to make this justice faster. As I pan these clothes, may the owner of these clothes cease to exist. As I pan these clothes, may death be upon him if he has offended me. As I pan these clothes, may death be upon him as I pan these clothes. Oneruka, Funana.
You like it?
Yes.
Fina, you like it?
Take it easy. Easy. One for me too.
One for you? Is that okay?
What it will cost them? We are ready. Makana feche go bend more puta. Jena bemanu puta.
Honey, what is it? What is it? Daddy? What is it? Honey? Are you okay?
Daddy?
Are you... give me water.
Daddy, are you okay?
Honey? Daddy? Honey? Hey, Chimo.
Daddy?
Honey?
Daddy?
Honey? Daddy?
That's easy. We are not only celebrating the downfall of a man who frustrated our lives, but also a man who made several attempts to wipe out our family and entire lineage. I've already known that his death is near, but never knew that it's going to be so soon, smooth, and easy. You know, this didn't come to me as a surprise. You know what? Because we were fighting for justice, and the universe was with us. Today, that idiot, that idoko of a man, he thought he was indestructible. Well, look at him, dancing naked to the spirit world as he makes his way to 6 feet down below.
Brother, I cannot wait to see him buried in shame. All the people he intimidated, frustrated, and even killed their loved ones, they will spit and dance on his grave.
Yes, exactly. And I agree with you on that. You see, my happiness is that the war is finally over. I've been living in fear, knowing that this man called Idoko never meant well for our family.
Yes. Do you know, these days, no matter what they do, when somebody does, if you're a bad person, they will put the person's name. In fact, they will keep on his name. He's gone, I'm gone forever. Gone forever. Gone forever.
God.
Doctor, why is my husband not responding?
We lost him.
We did what?
Doctor, you can't be serious. What do you mean by we lost him? What do you mean?
Chief is dead.
It's a lie. My husband cannot die. Honey? Honey? Honey, please talk to me. Honey? Honey? Please, please. Doctor, please do something. Doctor, please. Father! Doctor, please do something. Doctor! My husband cannot die, honey, please. Doctor, please come and wake my husband up. Doctor, you cannot allow him to die, please come. Come and wake my husband, doctor, please. Please do something. You cannot do this to me, just wake my husband up. Doctor, please.
Mom, we cannot bury him immediately. We need to deposit his corpse in the mortuary. We need to plan a befitting burial for my father. My father was a great man. There is no way he should be buried as a commoner. Father deserves a befitting burial for himself.
Depositing his body in the mortuary will only traumatize me every day. Do you know what it means to wake up every morning with a reminder that my husband is in the mortuary? We will bury him and start to heal gradually. That is all we have to do. We will heal gradually.
What is this news I'm hearing? That the almighty Idoko is dead? No. I don't believe he's dead. Someone who considers himself a mini-god. How can you now tell me he's dead? Let me ask you. Did the doctor check him very well and confirm him dead?
Who is dead? What are you talking about?
Father, you are alive.
Of course I'm alive. And I'm not dying anytime soon.
Honey, you are alive.
Of course. I'm alive.
My husband is alive.
Now, go in there. Prepare good onubu soup for me with apple. Make sure there's anunch in it.
I'm happy you are alive.
Go and do that by yourself.
I'll do that immediately.
Carlo, get Nacho, huh?
Father, the doctor.
Mokonyambo. More. Don't worry. The next 2 weeks, I will contribute to the platform on your WhatsApp. You'll be dead. I am okay. More Kambo.
You understand? It's his job, so that he'll be able to make payment. Thought you were good. What happened?
The impossible has happened. What happened to me today, in fact, what I witnessed, I have never witnessed it in my entire life.
What happened? Did you see a woman relating while standing?
If it was a woman I saw, that would have been better. I heard Idoko was dead. I decided to take a walk to his house to confirm. When I got there, I met the wife and the daughter. They were mourning. I asked them if it is true. They say yes, that Idoko is dead. To the point I even asked them, did the daughter confirm it? They say yes, that the daughter confirmed him dead. While we were still talking, Idoko came out from nowhere.
What?
Yes, he came out from nowhere to the point he was even telling the wife the type of food he wants to eat.
No.
Everyone will in shock.
Impossible.
It's not impossible.
Come back as second Christ or what? That's
thought
impossible. No. You know what? This must be an information from the beer parlor.
This is not from beer parlor. This is what he was even telling the wife to pound yam and offer olubu. I have to run for my dear life. This is not information from the beer parlor. It's what I witnessed.
So Idoko or his ghost?
It's not his ghost. I saw Idoko with my 2 eyes. Can't you understand what I'm telling you? By now, he would have been eating that pounded yam and offer olubu that he asked his wife to prepare for him. I'm shocked, though. I'm still very shocked. I still can't believe this.
What?
Grandmaster, I am not happy. How could you? How could you allow this to happen? A deity like me, life was almost snuffed out of me. How could you allow this happen?
You should be thanking me and the order of the spiritual realm rather than asking me silly questions. It was your daughter. It was your daughter who sold you out. And that is why the attack was very brutal.
My daughter sold me out. How?
She was promised. She was promised that she would again walk on her feet, if only she would provide them with your clothing. She did. That was what happened. Idoko. You have 4 days. 4 days to bring the twin brothers down. Else.
4 days is too close. Can you give me at least 1 week, please?
4 days, Idoko. You have 4 days to bring them down. Else you shall die permanently. 4 days. 4 days.
How could you, Fina? How could you do this to me? For what? Huh? I almost died. In fact, I died. All because of your stupidity. How could you allow those boys to deceive you?
Daddy, I'm sorry. Daddy, I was just eager to walk again.
I defended you with my life on many occasions, but just a small thing, you sold me out. I'm so disappointed in you.
I'm sorry, Daddy. Daddy, I'm sorry. I was just very eager to work again. That was why I gave in to their demands. I'm sorry, Daddy. Please forgive me. Daddy, please. Daddy, I'm sorry.
Grandmaster, that is their father.
Their father's spirit now moves around with them. You must disable the spirit spiritually, else you will not be able to kill his sons.
So how do we go about it?
Get sand from his graveside. Fetch the sand and bring it to me. I will disable him spiritually with the sand. Only then can you kill the sons. You have no more time left, Idoko. Time is of the essence. Do it, else you will die.
Uncle, come here! Why are you running?
Omojima, how are you doing?
Are you deaf? He's asking you a question. Why are you running?
No, I'm not running.
So who saw you on our father's grave? What were you doing on our father's grave? And we were calling you, you started running.
No, I wasn't running. I just came around. I said, let me take a look around and just relax.
Uncle, you came to check how the grave looks like. I don't understand.
Yes, I just feel like you come around.
And you saw us, you started pacing out.
No, I wasn't running. I didn't even see you until...
You were pacing away, Uncle. We saw you.
This man is stammered. Just teach him how to speak well.
No, hold on. What were you going to do? There was something you were putting in your bag. What was that in your pocket?
It's just something that I kept in my pocket.
Search him, search him!
What is that? Jesus! Sand! Uncle, you came
out
sand from my father's grave. Your own brother.
I needed to just do some maintenance in the house.
You must be ashamed of yourself.
Of all the whole places here, Uncle, it was this sand from my father's grave that you needed to mix with your cement. Uncle, you're not going to
look at somebody we are making plans for.
Wait, it's not what you think.
How much were you paid to do this to your family?
No, it's Idoko that sent me. He just asked me to get him some sand. I don't know what he wants to do with it. I swear, I didn't kill your father. I don't know what he wants to do with the sand.
Idoko sent you?
Yes, I don't know what he wants to do with it.
Please, come.
Get him.
Please. Bring him to the car. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Get him up. Bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him.
Child whose father is a witch doctor thinks that life revolves around charms. 21st century, where the world is building science and technology. A Kenyan people like you is still deeply rooted into charms. You must be ashamed of yourself.
It is only a foolish child who points at his father's house with a left finger. What you call charms is what we refer to as African science. And because you have a low self-esteem, you think European charm is superior to African science?
Tell me, one thing that you have ever manufactured with this your so-called African science, besides killing people's destinies? If you don't know, in African tradition, charms has nothing to do with it. From the beginning till today. If you don't know this, know it now. I have peace.
Who allowed you to step your cursed feet into my premises?
For your information, this what I'm wearing is made in Italy by my very good friend, Mr. Business Shoes. You can see the name B gravely, written on it. It's only blessed feet that wear things like this. You're a commoner. You can never wear this. Of course, you know.
Here can I blessed feet. That's what you call blessed feet.
By the way, what were you doing with the sand that you collected from my father's grave? So you want to go and engage my father spiritually? What can I also? It's okay. Catch spirit just so that you see my father, the spirit will keep wandering until they may me. The spirit must do something.
You're alleging I killed your father?
Of course you did.
Okay, assuming I killed him, what would you do? Tell me, what would you do? Now, let this be the last time you step your cursed feet into my premises.
Of course it's going to be the last time. Because the next time you try this nonsense, will break you from the comfort of our zones. We are no longer the boys you used to know. These men went to the prison broke and came out as billionaires. Avoid us. We're here talking AI, and you're doing abracadabra. Talking about terms. Avoid us.
I made you. I cannot make you.
Oh, yeah, Kimeru, no, don't. No, you can't do anything. Yes, I'm not sure why here.
Hello, come here, my friend. Come in. Simple task you cannot do. Did you get the sound I sent?
Umbano, I couldn't get the sound.
Where's my money?
Please, Idoko, allow me to use the money to buy drugs. Those boys dealt with me so seriously. You can take a look at my face.
Yes, you're still normal. Give me my money, my friend.
Kalu, please.
Give me my money. I want now shikwe.
Yes? Who are you looking for?
Actually, I'm looking for a job. I saw the vacancy post outside, so sir, please, I've been through a lot. I really need this job. I don't mind the pay. Just that if I can have roof over my head, I'm to eat, sir, please.
Excuse me. Are you ready to work here or you are just looking for food to eat?
Ah, sir, I'm here to work. Oh, I can sweep, I can clean, I can do anything for you, sir. I can do anything.
Enough. No problem. Come with me so that my boss will interview you.
Oh, thank you, sir. God will bless you. Thank you so much. God will bless you.
Hey, shh. You should comport yourself. Yes. You hear me?
Yes,
This way. Make yourself comfortable. Let me go and call my boss.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, we'll just give. Oh, good here. Come. Catch. You?
Go back.
Jack.
Boss.
You? Jack.
Boss.
Where did you get this Jezebel from?
She said she's looking for a job. So I decided to bring her in for screening.
You? After everything you did to us? Eh? You see this miserable, poor, still looking for a job? I thought by now you'd be the richest lady in Africa.
Sir, forgive me. I did what I did out of greed. It paid us to frame you up. Please forgive me.
What? Forgive you?
Yes, sir.
Who forgive a Jezebel like you?
Yes, sir, please.
By the way, where are your colleagues?
They are dead.
Dead?
Idoko told his boys to kill us all. To cover up for his secrets. But they spared my life because my brother used to work with them.
Okay. Even if they spared your miserable life, we are going to ruin it for you. For all the pains you made us go through, you pay for it.
Oh, sir, please.
Where's my phone?
Sir, please.
I'm calling the commissioner of police now.
Forgive me.
Think we're joking.
Please, I'm already miserable.
I'm calling the police now. Shut up, I'm calling the police.
Honey, tell me it's not true. You and your father paid those girls to frame a bomb and he came up and ended up killing them. Why?
I only recruited the girls. I know nothing about the killing. I'm telling you the truth.
Sidoko, we come into your house like your children who came to uplift their father. We came to expand and grow your business. But after working hard for you for 8 years, what did you do? You came up with an evil plan just to deny us our settlement. Sidoko, you will never see the sun again. Officer?
Officers, don't waste my time. Do your job.
Miss Sidoko, you're under arrest for conspiracy and murder. You have every right to remain silent, for whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. So move.
Arrest all of them, including the daughter. Now leave the daughter, the universe is already paying her for her evil deed. Get that bodyguard, arrest them. Arrest him!
How could you? How could you do this to these innocent boys who work so hard to grow the family business? As young as you are, how could you join your father in this act of shame and wickedness? I am so disappointed in you.
But I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't do it intentionally, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. I didn't know what I was doing. It was as if Father was controlling my mind.
You have to start talking now. What and what did you do with your father? I need to know everything.
Mother, I'm going to run mad if I say anything to you. Father placed me on an oath not to speak.
What? He did what?
My friend, you better start telling me what I need to know. Where did you bury those ladies.
Officer, you can go to hell.
You think this is one of the crimes you can get away with? You better start telling me what I need to know. I am talking to you.
Officer, I don't know what you're talking about.
I will make sure you go to jail. I'll make sure you spend the rest of your life in prison. Murderer.
Grandmaster, thank you for coming, but don't let me pass the night here. That'll be a very big shame. I mean, why would I join the court and go through this kind of embarrassment?
Idoko, the evidence against you is huge. Do you know that your accuser right now is still in the detective's office singing like a canary?
The girl will only have a case against me if she sings in court. Find a way to eliminate her. Once she's eliminated, my lawyers will know what to do. They'll take the case off from there.
You better start telling me what I need to know. That is the only way I will let you go scot-free.
Yes, sir. So, I was in school one morning and then I received a call from
Are you alright? This is it. What is it? The only evidence we have against him is gone. So I want to release him.
Release him for what? Just imagine. You're releasing a man that wasted 3 ladies. After luring them to frame us up? Is that what you're trying to do? Just imagine. You're telling us you don't have any evidence that we can use against him at the law court. Huh? That girl said so many things. She said so many things. Why didn't you record them?
I was recording her before she died. I should have done that before now.
No way. No way. This is not happening. This is not happening. We can't take it from you.
I assure you that I'm not leaving this case. I must get an evidence that I will use to nail him down.
For where? For where? Evidence for where? You know what? Just don't worry. Just go. Go. Detective, go. You better get that evidence immediately you walk out of this place. We'll handle this. What do you mean? We'll take it up from there. Take it up. Can you imagine?
Where are you going to?
Far away from you with my daughter, to a place you can never ever locate us. Henny, I have always known you to be selfish when it comes to money. But I don't know that I've been living with a beast all these years. You have succeeded in ruining the life of our only child. Look at her condition. All because of your evil deeds.
All I did was for you and the family, in the family's interest. You are not poor because of what I did. I became rich and I will remain rich.
Rich? At what cost? At the cost of my happiness? Look, Enyi, let me remind you, in case you have forgotten, it is better to dine with a beggar peacefully and in happiness than to dine with a king in a cursed mansion or palace. You see, this so-called paradise is cursed. And I'm not going to remain here to share in the consequences of things I know not of. Enyi, have a good day.
Madu tasia fufu, onyo zelie. 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 Iwene wemo, obi adiramu. Iwene wemo, obi adiramu. Madu tasia fufu, onyo zelie. 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 Madu tasia fufu.
I have a question for both of you.
Yes.
I want you to be honest and straight to the point. If you had someone who is as rich as you are, and you've done everything physically and spiritually to take him down, but he refuses to go down, what would you do to take him down?
Sir, I believe in the theory that what cannot be done can be left behind. We must not win every battle in life. Sometimes giving up on an impossible battle is as good as winning the battle.
I don't believe in giving up. So keep your silly advice to yourself.
I'm sorry, sir.
What about you?
Well, my boss, if I try to eliminate my enemies physically and spiritually, and it doesn't work, I will get connected with the government. Because the government has the power to bring down the mighty, and the high. Imagine you being the local government chairman. You can use your power to take down your enemies. You can use your connection to run them out of this town.
Very good attempt. Blaze, I'm impressed. And you know I know how to reward people. I hereby increase their salary by 100%.
Thank you, my boss.
You're a very smart man. Talking about local government chairman, our party has been looking for a replacement since the last one died. I've been offered a position on a clean slate. I think I will start considering it to get power and close to the government. Thank you.
Thanks, boss.
Chairman.
Iheme Funa. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Iheme Funa, GDO4. Congratulations once more.
Thank you. Thank you.
I believe that your administration will bring good things to this town.
Thank you.
You see, you really came highly recommended by the governor.
Yes, thank you. Not just development, empowerment.
Yes.
And security.
That is it.
Yes. You see, with the help of my brother, we'll make sure we turn the city around. We'll make sure the city is ahead of others.
That is just the spirit.
You know we have the money.
We do.
The connection.
Yes.
The exposure.
Yes.
To turn this city around. To make this city the economic hub of the state. Yes, and the center of attraction. In fact, I am the best man for this job.
Definitely, you are.
Yes, I am. We have a car.
Yes, I have a call. This is Chief Idoko. Let me pick the call.
Hey, the chair. How are you?
Chief Idoko, I am fine. And you?
Well, I'm happy to inform you, and that's why I'm calling. Tell you that I am now interested in becoming the chairman of our local government.
Chief Idoko. This is too late. Really, really late. Iheme Funa GDO4 already has the position. I mean, Iheme Funa, your former apprentice.
You must be joking. I mean, I was on my own when you offered me that position. How can you now give it to urchins, my apprentice?
Street urchin 5 years ago. Billionaire today. That's the update. Yes. Unfortunately, your old decaying brain has failed you to understand and see the reality. I'm the new local government chairman. And you better be careful, because I'm coming for you.
You can now speak to me anyhow you like. You think why it was, let me tell you. I'm giving you 24 hours to step down, announce your resignation as chairman of the local government. If not, what will hit you, you will not see it coming. Don't ever joke with me. I'm a very dangerous man.
Person when no person will pass up, a foolish man. A man who is highly connected and richer than you is your earthly God. Get that into your skull.
Yes.
Then let me warn you, don't misbehave. Because if you do, I am going to come for you. Yes. You will lose everything that you have worked for. I mean, everything. Just don't misbehave, because I will come for you.
Ikem, you don't know why they call me Anunkankampi. Anukenyi. You will know it now.
Then, you now understand why I am Don Soweto. The only man that went to prison broke. and came out as a billionaire. Adirizi, copy that.
All hail the new
Look at the chairman. The going on there. That's the update. Yeah, hello. Yeah, this is the new local government chairman. Yes. Have you been updated by the governor? Okay, now swing into action immediately. Yeah, we have been informed that he uses his business to cover up his crimes. Yes. Of course, we are going to seal everywhere. Say his shop, even that one at the behind the army barrack. See that shop? The electronic shop at the market, seal it. Yes. And the one at the Ocean Bank Road, seal everything belonging to him. Anything that led to his name, seal it. Filling station behind the army barrack, seal it. Okay? Seal everything. We have the backing of the government. Seal everything linking him to any business. Okay? Good.
No, Soweto.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, the commissioner. How you doing? Okay. Beautiful. Have you heard from the SLC? His SLC. Oh, okay, right. Then move immediately. All right then. All right, take care.
No, Soweto. The new local government of Itodo. Congratulations on me.
My brother.
Yeah.
You made it happen.
Yeah.
You made it happen.
No.
You are the one that introduced me to the governor,
no.
and he approved it.
No, it's just a small thing.
Thank you so much for everything.
No. See, whatever we can do to cripple that idiot, we will do it.
Trust me.
I
We are
can't
going
wait
to
to
sell everything belonging to him.
make sure we crush him down, we crush all his businesses.
Trust me. We're already at that.
No, Soweto.
The only man that went to prison broke and came back as billionaire.
As billionaires.
Uneasy.
Now the guy got about me again.
I'm like
Okay, what are you saying? 2 of my shops sealed? Why? Who? The mayor ordered it. That bastard. Gineka, Ogene. What? My petrol station and car shop sealed? By who? Who's after me? What nonsense investigation? Huh? What nonsense investigation, I ask you?
Sir, some men are here to see you.
Who are they?
I don't know, but they look like government officials.
Yes, gentlemen, how may I help you?
We are officials from the Ministry of Town Planning. It seems that the man who sold this land to you didn't tell you that this place was originally mapped out for state cemetery. For you to erect such mansion on state land is worrisome.
What are you talking about? What cemetery? My house?
Sir, this land was mapped out 10 years ago for construction of cemetery. Owners were adequately compensated by the government. And the new mayor, he wants to build the state cemetery for free. And you have 10 days to vacate this house.
What nonsense are you talking about? What nonsense? I have lived here and this is my personal house. Who is giving such orders?
So this is a letter, and it was signed by the state governor himself. This building will be demolished for the construction of cemetery. You have exactly 1 week to vacate this building.
Why is she not picking? Is she in a noisy place?
What is wrong with you? Do you know who I am? Do you know who my husband is? Why would you take my phone away from me?
Can you pick your call now? What is all this?
Am I here? What do you want from me, Idoko? You better don't try anything funny, because my husband will definitely not find it funny with you.
Your husband and his brother are after the things I hold very dear. My businesses and my properties. It's risky to have them stay alive.
So what are you trying to do? What do you intend to do?
Liz.
Boss.
Hold her down. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. I said open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open it. You are now under my control. The vice says what you do.
I wish it's my command.
Take this. Put the content inside your husband's food. Please, take her away from here.
you okay?
Yeah. Yes, I'm fine.
Then why are you acting this way?
Nothing. I only wanted to wake him up so that we could discuss something really important. Nothing much.
Ta-da! Food is ready. So let me go get the other one.
Oh no, come, sweetheart. Come, let me show you something.
I mean, that could wait. Let me just go get the other one
Don't
before it
worry,
gets
don't worry,
cold.
sweetheart. Don't worry. Let me just show you something. Come, okay? Mm.
What was the good answer to that question? Are you stupid? Ew. So this was the reason you delayed in the market and refused to pick my calls? Because you were that evil man who bribed you to kill my brothers. Are you stupid?
Okay. After all that I've done for you, just tell me, have you lacked anything in this house? Have you requested for anything that I refused to do it for you? How much were you paid to kill us? So if not for the secret cameras that we installed in this house, we would have just poisoned our food and we just die like that.
Sweetheart, I don't even know what came over me. I was confused. I don't even know what's happening.
You are confused. Probably because you were paid in dollars. In fact, Obun, the reason this girl is standing alive here is because of the respect I have for you. That's all. But you know what to do.
Baby, please.
Perfect. Go inside and pack all your things. Go inside.
Get out! Get out!
Get out from here.
Get out! I'm sorry, please. Mama, please, I beg you. Get out of here! Please, I beg you. You know me too well. This is not me. I don't know what happened. Please, please, I beg you, Mama. Please, I beg. Remember, we've been friends. I have been your childhood friend. Please, I brought you into this house as a blessing. Not knowing that you're a ticking-time bomb. You came to ruin my house. No, Mama. You know we've been friends. No, I don't. This is not me. I don't know what happened. Please, but exactly my point. This is not you. I don't know you, Nkiru. I don't know you. Get out! I beg you. I will kick you out. I'll play you like football now. Get out here! Please. Mama, please. And don't ever come here again.
This would have been a pathetic story to tell. Imagine what would have happened if you have not seen her poisoning that food through your CCTV camera. The both of you would have been dead by now. You cannot be fighting a man that is spiritually strong like Idoko. It is not possible. You need to get spiritual fortification for your safety, I don't want to pour sand on your grave.
Spiritual fortification. Hope you're not talking about any human ritual here.
No, not at all. This is pure African protection and it works perfectly. Now listen, the two of you. You and I know you've got the money. You've got the right connection. And you've got everything to bring Idoko down. But you lack one thing. One important thing. Spiritual muscle. Everything I've said is physical, but this, very important. You need to fortify yourselves. Be strong one at that matter. If you must fight this battle.
Do you think that amount of fortification would be enough to protect us from this occultic man? God, Mr. Doko.
Our forefathers, who were called great men, who were strong men, they protected themselves. They gave themselves spiritual protection, and that is why they fulfilled their purpose and destiny in life. Hagarando bako, ndilo, elie. Remember, spiritual protection has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with human sacrifice. I don't want to lose you.
It's okay.
Ayarima do. Ayarima do. This is the ancient pot used in fortifying warriors in the past. As a request for such fortification, you must understand the rules. For the rest of your life, you will stand by the truth and never do evil to those who did nothing to you. Any day you plan evil against the innocent, that day you shall face something mightier than tornado.
They are peace-loving people. It's the Doko that brought out the beast in us. Fortification we are doing right now is to defend ourselves from the evil deeds of Idoko.
Proceed with the fortification, wise one. We have stayed away from evil, as we have always done. Go ahead.
From your mouth to the ears of Onyeroka. Now, go down.
Kiliaduro, Makando dogwa batago, Kebebezi afatago, Isikara kanebo, Kiliaduro, Makando dogwa batago, Kebebezi afatago, Isikara kanebo, Omwana sebunanya, Omwana sebuchacha. You are out for revenge, Soweto. These people are out for revenge. Kiliaduro. The tension is too high. Kiliaduro. We are here for serious business. You are out for revenge. Soweto. These people are out for revenge. Money not be problems at all. Eka buros in Sobufa. Manjanja. They are ready to beat down the enemy. They are ready to beat down Makana feche go bendi mo puta. Jena be manu puta. Fuck with the go.
These twin brothers are fortifying themselves at the shrine of Okedimbologu. Blaze! Blaze!
Boss.
Go to the shrine of Okete. Disperse everyone there. Scatter whatever it is.
Yes.
Let there be blood on their hands. Yes. Don't come back here without blood on your hands.
Yes, my boss.
Go.
Revenge. Revenge.
Now this man is looking for who to kill. Sending us to go and fight Onyeroka. Another deity. Look at Negro that carried the central deity. Since then, he's still carrying it.
Nah, and he's not even doing anything about it. Imagine the pain that boy is going through for years now. Carrying a central deity. Nah, this job, if you don't use your head, you'll just die for nothing.
Let me tell you why I say that man doesn't mean well for us. Do you know when they shot you? He only said I should carry you to the hospital. When it's time to pay, ask him for the hospital bill. He said nothing. I was the one that paid the hospital bill. So you see, that man doesn't mean well for us. So I'm not going anywhere. I will stay and drink, and later we'll go back and tell him that when we got there, we did not see anything. What do you think?
As simple as that too. Huh. Okay, man. Madam! Bring me up here. Because it's chop life. Oh.
You are running temperature. Hey!
I laugh at both of you. You didn't think that I'll know you didn't go there. I sent you on an errand. What did you do? You branch off at the market square to go and drink beer. Instead of going and storming that place, that shrine, to go and finish off every business. Both of you. No salary for you for the next 3 months. That's your punishment.
Idoko, do you know you are very stupid and senseless? So you're waiting for me to come and beg you for my money before you know you take my mother to the hospital. Okuya? Now let me tell you, you devil. If you do not take my mother to the hospital right now, I will spit on your face and you know what that will cost you.
Ubile, stop this. Stop. Stop talking to our destiny helper like that. Eh? Chief Biko, please don't mind these words. Oh, Biko, you know the condition of my son. Help me if you can. Help us.
What condition are you speaking about? Because I gave him my money to be spending for me. Now you are thinking I'm in a terrible condition. Oh, Idoko, have you seen what you cost? If not for your selfishness and greediness, my mother wouldn't think I'm in a terrible condition. Because I gave you my own money to be spending for me.
Oh, baby, calming down. Oh, baby, calming down. I didn't know your mother was sick. I mean, you can testify. I've been giving you money. Huh? Okay, boys, take the mother to the hospital and make sure she receives adequate medical treatment. Don't worry, everything will be okay. Give her adequate medical treatment. Any money I'll pay. Take her in the car.
Oyarima do. Oyarima do. Asi no chi dike chuaja. Dike wele nyande muonaka. Congratulations. The fortification was successful. Welcome back from the land beyond. You have become living deities. No man born of a woman can destroy you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, great one.
Abumneme, you must go and bring back your wife. She was spiritually manipulated by Idoko to poison you. She never knew what she was doing. A demonic ring was forced down her throat.
Are you serious? So Idoko could go as far as that just to get at us? Wise one, what can we do to get him down forever?
Just like you, Idoko was spiritually fortified by the ancient powers of darkness. To destroy him, you must restore the sanity of the madman he used to make his money.
Madman? Who is he?
I'm sorry, I don't know what came over me. I swear on my life I will never hurt you. Never.
It's okay. You have been vindicated. You were spiritually manipulated to do what you did. I'm forgiving you. So I'm here to take you home, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's you.
I'll stand up, okay? Stand up, okay? Stand up. Clear that, okay? It's okay. It's okay. How's your mother doing?
She's fine.
It's okay. Please, help her put this in.
Chai, welcome. I'm so sorry. My brothers told me all that has happened and we were manipulated. I'm so sorry. For doubting me.
Look, Norman, I will never ever harm this family. Because I've taken you guys as mine.
And you know what? I've never ever considered that, let alone executing it. I would never do such a thing.
I'm so sorry. I believe you now. I'm so sorry. Oh, come on. Missed it. Chai, hope you ate well there.
It is not always the king goes to visit his subjects. It's the other way around. The subjects go to visit the king. You're welcome.
When the king continues to wait for his subjects to visit him, before revealing the dangers that lie along the way to them, such a king may just wake up one day to find he is a king of a kingdom without subjects. Iduko, many dangers lie in your way, and that is what I have come to warn you against. The twin brothers, the twins have traveled down deep into the forest of powers to unravel the mystery of your strength and might. They have discovered the source of your powers. They have discovered that Obele holds the secrets of your power. Idoko, find him. Find Obele. Find him and keep him safe in your home, lest the twin brothers get ahead of you. For if they restore his sanity, if they restore his sanity, that will be the beginning of your end.
May you reign forever. Thank you for this information. I appreciate it.
Find him. Find him. Find him and secure him.
Please. Now, go and look for Obele. Search out for him anywhere he is. Bring him here. If he refuses to come, bundle him. Go.
Yes, sir. It's done, boss. We injected him. And he's deeply asleep.
Good job, boys. Very good job. Now, listen very well. He must not see me.
Yes, boss.
He must not get angry. If he wakes up, pianya the injection again. All right?
Yes, boss.
Until I'm able to eliminate all these people who are against me. Okay?
Yes, boss.
Very good. Now they will know why I am called Idoko. Take him inside. It's either my way or the highway.
What happened? Where's the madman? Speak! Where's your colleague? Where's your car?
Spark is dead.
What?
They killed him. On our way coming back, Idoko's bodyguards are bunchos and killed Spark. They took away the madman and I managed to escape.
Hey! Abunebe! Abunebe! This battle is no longer battle for the small masquerade. It's time for the big masquerade to enter the ring. He who challenges the masquerade must meet a king, because the mask carries the law of the ancestors. Let the war begin right now.
Mad people everywhere. Madman everywhere. This is why you are carrying the deity of your village on your head. Eh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 deities.
I'm very, very tired.
The deity refused to come down from my head.
Madman everywhere. The deity refused to come out from your head.
Yes.
This plywood refused to go out of your head.
Yes.
This is not...
What is that? That.
I'm happy that both of you are here by yourself. Idoko can never be disgraced.
What's the meaning of that childish statement? Look, bring out Obele now or something strange will happen here immediately.
Idoko, there is time for everything. Your end is now. Bring Obere, or we take it by force.
What is she? Ibachala.
Any other one? Make sure you come out with Obele. Why coming out?
Thank you for the Maya. Thank you. And Mosu, thank you so much. Thank you very much for risking your lives to bring back the sanity of my son. Thank you, Rine. Why do you call me Mio? Now I understand why. Even in the aggression of my son to Idoko, give me my thing, give me what that belongs to me. Idoko will always give it to him without complaining. Now I know why.
Exactly. That's the rule given to him. Use your son's sanity to make money. I'm telling you. He was asked to provide all his needs. Yeah.
Sir, thank you
Obele,
very much.
You deserve a good life.
Thank you.
And that is what we are going to give you.
Thank you very much, sir. May the Almighty God bless, protect, and enrich the both of you.
I can't believe I roamed the street for 10 good years. Mad. This man destroyed my life for nothing. For nothing. Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate the both of you. Thank you very much, sir.
Don't worry. You should not be focusing on the past. Forget about the past and focus on the good future that you have tomorrow. Okay? Me and my brother will give you 10 million naira to start a new life. Okay?
10
million.
10. Oh, thank you, sir.
No.
Thank you, sir. Oh, 10 million. Oh, thank you very much, sir. Oh, thank you.
Stand up.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. It's okay.
Mama, 10 million. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
What?
Mama, 10 million.
Oh, Nalo.
10 million.
Is this free? How dare you come into this house, you daughter of a cursed family? Jack, how dare you bring them in here? Do you want to lose your job?
Sorry, madam. They said they want to have a word with you.
Norma, please. Have mercy on my daughter. She is now a changed person. Her father is the person that lured her into all this. We have been to different places. They said you are the only one that can make her walk again by reversing the curse you laid on her.
I will never reverse the curse. It shall follow you and your family for eternity. Mama, to err is human, yet to forgive is divine. Mama, please. Please do not let me spend the rest of my life sitting on this wheelchair. Please. Mama, I've denounced my father. I've denounced all his evil ways. Please, I beg you. Do not let me sit here and perish. I've suffered. Please. I swear to God, if you reverse this course, I'll preach the gospel until I die. Pico. Please. Noma, please.
Easy boy. Noma. Please. Look at her. She's sorry and remorseful. Please, Noma. It is time to let go. Please. Forgive and reverse the course. Please, I beg you. Please.
Fine. Fina, I can only reverse this course if you go to the authorities and report all the crimes you committed with your father. Every single one of them. face the full wrath of the Lord. But that's only if you're ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Mama, I'm ready. I'm ready to face the law. I'm ready. I'm ready to go to jail for the crime I committed. I am ready, please. Please.
Please, like I said before, have mercy on my daughter. You know me very well. I don't support evil in any way. I have never been part of this. It pains me a lot to see my daughter every day in this painful condition. Reverse the course and give her the chance to walk once again. Please.
Fine. I will have to visit the Romankarisi River to reverse the course. Thank you. Thank you so much. My God will bless you. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Fine.
Thank you so much.
Madam.
The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still water. He restored my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Here do I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I will fear no evil, for thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff. Thou comfort me. Thou prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointed my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the hands of the Lord forever.
Father, you know that you started a fight for us, but died in the process. We are gathered here not just to thank you for standing for your children, but also to bring good news to you that you have won the fight that consumed you. We just want to tell you that you remain in our hearts forever. Thank you, Father, for all you have done for us. Thank you, Father.
Odogu, okay. You made a bold statement when you were still alive that you were never a coward. And that was why you fought like a warrior and died like a hero. Papa, we take solace in your death, knowing that you did not die in vain. Like my brother said, we have made it. And we promise you will forever remember your sacrifices that you made for us.
continue to rest in peace. I love you, and we love you.
Daddy, Papa, Izibonam, we miss you so much. I miss you. Mana Jane Koma, oh, we all love you.
Makando dogwa batago kebebezi ifo isikara kanebo kilia diro makando dogwa batago kebebezi ifo isikara kanebo omwana sebunanya omwana sebuchacha. You are out for revenge Soweto omwana sebunanya. These people are out for revenge. Kilia the road. The tension is too high. Kilia the road. We are here for serious business. You are out for revenge. Soweto. These people are out for revenge. Money not be problems at all. Eka brosin sobufa.